I'm at Kamahana 23. This is an end unit, ground floor, 2-bedroom, 2-bath. The most spectacular part about this condo is the awesome golf course and then ocean view that you see as soon as you walk in the condo. So you have a straight view up to the Kauai lighthouse, which you can see off there on the point in the distance. Bluff top location, stunning ocean view. From the lanai, you can see everything. And you have a very spacious lanai with room for seating, lounging, dining, and really your own little personal green space to really maximize and enjoy this stunning ocean view. Going back inside, you have a spacious living area, open concept to the dining and the kitchen. And even though this is a ground floor unit, you have high ceilings in this living space. The floors have been upgraded to tile. The dining area is large and also has that beautiful view out to the Kauai lighthouse and the ocean. The kitchen is decorated with these beautiful Murano lamps and has been upgraded. So nothing needs to be done. Stainless steel fridge and stove and dishwasher. And everything is in beautiful shape. You've got nice garden view out your kitchen window. Ocean view from the side kitchen window. Walking to the master bedroom is here on the left. It is large and it has laminate flooring. And this master bedroom also enjoys this incredible ocean view with views to the Kauai lighthouse. Trade winds, breezes blow through this unit constantly, so there's no need for AC. You have a spacious master bath with the full tub, which also has been upgraded. Lots of storage, many closets in this condo. Again, there's that beautiful ocean view from the master, which also has its own lanai if you just want to enjoy a quiet cup of coffee before everybody else wakes up. Everything is included in this sale, with the exception of 2 pieces of artwork. So all the furniture, kitchen supplies. Now you've got a long hallway that really separates the second bedroom and master bath. Or excuse me, main bath, guest bath. So you also have a full-size tub here, spacious countertop, and behind that curtain there is more storage, full-size closet. And heading into the second bedroom, it's set up now with a twin beds, but you could fit easily a queen or master in here. And then this also has its own slider door to a small outside space, but lots of light. And again, all these doors and ocean breezes keep this condo very cool. Walking back out, again, you'll see you have this long hallway which separates the 2 bedrooms. And again, ending on this beautiful ocean view This is what this condo is all about. Imagine sitting out here and just enjoying the breeze, the nene geese, the albatross when they're here. In the winter months, you can see whales breaching from the ocean, and sunrises from behind the Kilauea Point. Again, this is Kamahana 23.